Welcome back, students. Now our image is ready. See, this is our image. My pi IP also received. So what I did is, after writing the image, I removed the SD card. I connected the Raspberry Pi into my laptop through USB port, and I put the SD card into the Raspberry Pi. How I did that? I'll show you one picture. Okay. So how to connect SD card, which I already write the PLAP image into SD card. That SD card I am putting into Raspberry Pi. Okay, Raspberry Pi 4 and connect to laptop because I cannot show you that image. That's why it's already connected. Okay, so how I connected that one? So see here the SD card I already did this. Okay, I put the first I put the SD card reader. The SD card reader I have to put the SD card. Then I connect this one. Then I open the PLApp launcher. Okay, I write in different method. Okay, I'm not using Raspberry noise. I'm using PLApp image. So I use PLApp imager. I write the PLApp image. Now I remove the SD card with PLApp image written. Then put the SD card into this Raspberry Pi slot. Okay, where to put the SD card. Then this one they're discussing about the OS, the RAM, everything. Now I'm connecting the Type C cable, okay, and this is connected to the USB port of laptop. Now I will get power. So there is a power button, like there will be a red color will be turned on. That means the Raspberry Pi is working. Once you get the green color, it means it is booting. So once you get the green color, that means it will boot the OS from the SD card. Okay, that's what he's showing. Now after you boot, everything is ready. What I can see is the name of the device and the IP address you receive and the connect button. And where you can see is in the same PLApp launcher software, where do you write the OS image, go to next option, available devices. There you could see the name of the device and this one. Mr. Why you can see all the different types of device? Because I used many images. I used to write many images so that I can make my lab ready. That's why for preparing for the lab I wrote many images, so I'm keeping many. That's why all the device names are listed. Okay, so but now they are not connected. Only connected device is my pi. That's why it is having connect button. Remaining all offline. This is one method of finding the IP address and device name in PLApp launcher. Assume that Mr. I took the SD card, but when I went to my lab, there was no PLApp launcher installed. So how do I get the IP address? No need to worry, Baba. Only. What you can see is, how we can see is, open the Wi-Fi router. So provided you will have to contact your technician. So get the Wi-Fi, the connected, no, the device where you have connected the you remember when you write the image in the SD card, you give the SSID and password. That should be the Wi-Fi SSID and password. Again, the laptop and your SD card, no, that image, that should have the same SSID username and password. Okay, so otherwise you have to configure hotspot. Leave it. Okay, so but here, what I'm doing now, I'm going to open the Wi-Fi router where I already configured the SSID password. No, that Wi-Fi router I will open. In that Wi-Fi router, I could see clients. In this client, I could see the device name MyPi. Here also I can see the IP address. So if your computer you are connecting the Raspberry Pi do not have PLApp launcher software, how do we see the IP address? No need to worry. Open the Wi-Fi router. There will be devices or clients connected. In that client you can see your device name MyPi. This is my laptop and my mobile phone, but this is my IoT device. Okay, Raspberry Pi device. The name is MyPi, which I write along maybe sometime back, right? You saw that video. Now this is the IP address I got. Then you have to copy this IP address and paste in the browser, or you can just go to the PLApp launcher, just click connect button. They'll open a browser. So they will ask first time, if you they will ask password, because I am not using the first time, so that's why it's not asking password. But still, if you want to try this, click close. What I will do, I'll copy this IP either here or from here. We will open from here, copy, I'll put here. It was not copied. Okay, so what was the IP address? 192.168.1.102, right? So 192.1.102. They will ask you password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First time means they will ask password. Next time they will not ask password. Okay, just go login. You remember the same password we gave in the while we write the image into SD card. We write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same password you have to enter. Now you will get a notebook window. What is notebook, mister? It is a place where we can store your data, upload your files, upload your Python program, your course material, everything. Okay. By default, notebook has course material. Here I can see the different number of types of courses offered in Cisco. I go for IoT security. I could see chapters, videos. Okay. Then big after that we could see my files. This is a folder where you can upload your files or folder. How do we upload? There is an upload button. When you click upload, you will be taken to the real computer laptop. There you can go and choose any file or folder you can upload. Okay. Then go back. This my project I created. Just I will delete that one for your purpose. Okay. And delete this untitled. This also I created. Just I delete. Now after that there is new button, bash born again shell, bash editor to type the commands. Okay, maybe you can write the Python program also here. Okay, then we have new Python 3. It's also Python editor for typing a Python program, and like you type your Python program using Anaconda or Jupyter. No, that's same here. Jupyter Notebook, you can type the program, and we have run button. You know that. Okay, then we have text file. If you want to create a text file, you can type here, then dot text file, you can save it. Okay, notepad file. Then we have folder. If you want to create a folder, go here, click folder, say I'm going to create a folder project. Okay, like this, created. So whatever text file you created, all here. Okay, if you want, you can delete, no problem. Go for last one, terminal. Here I will apply all the commands. Okay, Linux commands. Okay, so here I'm the root user. At which machine? MyPy. Name of machine is MyPy. I'm a root user. Okay, I am now in home Py folder notebooks. Okay, so I want to see the current path. Print working directory. See, pwd, it will print the current working directory. I am in home Py notebooks. I want to list all the files in notebook. Just ls. I could see the course material, my files, my project, my some Python files, the text files, whatever. It's here. This is notebooks folder, right? Notebooks which one, window, right? So whatever things you have here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all 7 things are listed here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now I want to go back to previous path or previous folder. So just go back. Okay, one step back, cd space dot dot, like this. Okay, so what else? What are the command we have? ls pwd. If you want to create a folder, you know, just mkdir, like that, cd, like that. Okay, if you want to get inside the same folder notebooks, just go for cd not, and we have a tab key. Just press the tab key in the keyboard, get the path. Okay, now I want to install some service or packages. Okay, so first thing, to install these services, what we need is we want to type a command. Okay, so raspi-config. See, when you type that command raspi-config, they will ask you the user should apply this. It apply to pi user. Yes, okay. Just give okay. Now there are system options, display options, interface options, performance option, localization, advanced option, update, Raspberry config, everything. Okay, so here I'll show you that in the Word file. What I did here is what commands I put. Okay, see, first I'm going to enable the SSH. Okay, so first thing I will type is raspi-config. Okay, if you are in root user, just type raspi-config. If you are in pi user, you have to type sudo raspi-config. Okay, so here I will just write here, if you are root user, just type raspi-config. But if you are Pi user, then type sudo raspi-config. Okay, sudo give the super user privilege for you for the Pi user. Okay, now what is it window? I'm here. Okay, I want to enable SSH service, then VNC virtual network console, some service. Okay, go down, click interface option. Then we have Pi camera, first one SSH for remote access. Sorry, remote access, secure access. So sitting from some other place, I want to operate or monitor or control this device. I can go for SSH service. VNC virtual network console, also through VNC monitor you can access the device. SPI for some kernel operations. Okay, I2C, it's for connecting some devices. So we need I2C ports to be enabled. Okay, serial ports, one wire, remote GPIO, all these things to enable. First you have to go to, say I want to open camera, enable camera, I want to connect a Pi camera, night vision camera into the Raspberry Pi device. Means you want to first enable that service or port. Okay, so go here, enter, yes or no, yes, enabled. Okay, now go back to again interface, SSH, yes or no, yes. So it will take some time. Yes, done. SSH is enabled. Yes. Okay. Now go for interface options. Third one, VNC virtual network console. Yes or no? Yes. It will install some packages. Yes or no? Yes. So for these things, we need to be connected to internet. Okay. That's why if get means you are connected. Okay. In between, if you are getting error, some error means no, that will be like they are missing that packages. Okay. I think that some packages missing. We need to be, maybe it will refresh and get connected. Okay. Sometimes no, the internet is disconnected means this type of, now it's coming back again. Okay, so here do I have internet here? Yes. Okay, so it will take some time. Let's wait. We are installing some services. Okay, later we install some packages also. Now we're installing what VNC service. Okay, it depends upon internet speed and how the connectivity is there. If it is in between, if disconnected means it will take some time, otherwise it will be faster. I have good connection, but sometimes no, maybe that traffic is too much means the disconnection, the package will be disconnected. Okay, so there will be disconnection. So let's wait for the this one to be installed. Okay, few seconds. After that, all of the services we can easily install. Okay, only thing is the VNC needs to be installed with internet connectivity. That's what. Just wait for a few seconds. That time I'll show you that picture by picture. Okay, so here interface option, Pi camera enabled, SSH enabled, VNC and other features. Just click each feature and now install. Now after that we have to update the Raspberry Pi. So you want to update that board. Okay, so the command is apt get update. Okay, apt get update. If you are a root user, no need to add sudo. Just put apt hyphen get update, apt hyphen get space update. But if you are a Pi user, you have to try sudo space apt hyphen get update. We'll show you. Okay. What's the status? Still it is installing the service. 48% nearly done. 49, not 50. Okay, make it fast, make it fast. So here after that what I did, after enabling SSH you want to try SSH. How do we test it? So there is a option called as putty. There is a software called as putty out install. Okay, putty.exe. If you want to try SSH how it works or not, no, putty.exe you have to open. Then you have to enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. So my IP address of Raspberry Pi is 192.168.1.102. Okay, let me try here. 192.168.1.10. So that's one. Okay, there was an error, so we'll install that one later. VNC, not that much important. Okay, so here, whenever you have installed SSH, no, whenever you enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi input T, just click enter. You will get SSH enabling screen. There you have accept button. Click accept. Now we are connected to Raspberry Pi via SSH. Now username is Pi. Password is raspberry. See, I enter the SSH login. Okay. Now this one also error. Okay, I'll just leave that VNC later. Okay, VNC actually we don't want now. Okay. After that, what we have is we have update and upgrade. Okay. So for update and upgrade, we can go with the Pi user. Here we will try through the which one. Here I can even you can try that update upgrade in the Pi user. Okay, so go for sudo. If you are in Pi user, you have to try sudo command because you have to become a super user, right? So first thing I will again show you that same raspi-config button, a config command in Pi user. So sudo raspi-config enter. Then same thing we are go for interface option. Then camera already enabled, it will show enabled. Then SSH enabled, yes, that's why you are here. Then we have VNC, maybe it will take some time, so I'm not doing that. SPI, go with enable as SPI, is done. This one I2C inter-integrate port, okay, that's also enabled. Now again interface option down, serial port for connecting serial devices, go for okay, yes, done. Then again last next one wire, yes or no, yes, enable that service also done. Then interface options again, remote GPIO, general purpose input output button, okay, pins, okay, again yes or no, yes, done, done. Only thing is VNC, okay, do later. Now I want to update or upgrade, update and upgrade, okay, so that's one, go for select, finish. Now reboot, no, I'll reboot later. Now if you are in Pi user, whatever commands you try, you should become a super user. So you have to give sudo apt get update. This is the command to update the Raspberry Pi with the package. Okay, so I put a mistake, right? Sudo, not should be sudo update. Sudo apt-get update. Update also depends upon the internet connectivity. If you are connected to internet and with faster means update will be more faster. If it is any internet issue or slower means it will take a lot of time. Maybe it will come out with errors also. So here I think thank God the updation is done. Updation is being done. Okay, the internet also very faster. So once it is done, you will get updated. The package will get updated in the Raspberry Pi. So after that update, what we have is, see, it's fetching. After update, what command you will put is upgrade. After update, you will go for upgrade. Okay, where is the command? We didn't mention here. After that update, then upgrade. I'll show you that once it is done. Okay, where is that? I think we're done through putty, right? So here putty is going on. So it is done. So go for update now. Upgrade, upgrade. Another command. Update, upgrade. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. So what we have done today. First video, how do we write the PLApp image, Cisco PLApp image, and operating system, the operating system into Raspberry Pi. Then we give a device name and password. Device name was mypi. The password was 12345678. SSID and password for connecting to the Wi-Fi. We give SSID password. Once you write the image, you could see the name of device on the PLApp launcher available devices like this. You could see the name of device and available devices. Then later what you should do, it was offline. We remove the SD card, put into the Raspberry Pi backside, then connect the Raspberry Pi into the laptop using a USB cable. Then go to the available device. You could find the device you just added, connected the SD card. No, that with IP address and connect button, click the connect button, or you can go to the Wi-Fi router and check the available devices, whichever is online. Open that one, then give the password 128 123456778. Then you install the, you saw that notebooks. What is the commands I can try? What are the commands? Linux commands I will try. Linux commands I will try. We could try in that one. Then we have that Python editor, Bash editor, terminal, everything. Then notebook. Then how to create a folder. After that, what we did? We installed some services, SSH, VNC. Actually, that's another, but usually we used to install that service. Okay, VNC, serial, like that, all the service we install. Then we go for update and upgrade. Okay, so still update is going on. Update done. Now upgrade is going on. It's 63%. So once it is upgraded, what we'll do, we'll reboot the machine. Once it is rebooted, everything is done. Now the next step will be install a special package called as group by package. But I'll tell you later. Next video will be how do we install group by package. Okay, so what is group by? Why do we need to install group by package? What is the output of group by package? How can we see the default Python programs in Raspberry Pi? All those things we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, because this will take some time for writing the image, so it will take some time. So I don't want you to wait for that. So let's finish this upgrade, then reboot, then we'll stop the video. After that, another video will discuss about how do we install group by package and what is the basically what is the purpose of group by package. Then I will tell you why do we use group by package. Then what are the programs or Python programs we can see after installing group by package. All the things we'll discuss in the next video. We're just waiting for the upgrade to be completed. Then we'll reboot the machine. Then once the machine gets rebooted, then we can install the remaining package, group by package. Okay, so it's almost done, 100%. Okay, so fetching, it will be done. Okay, you don't want to wait for that. We'll wait for a few seconds. If it is not done, I'll close the video. And this process not depends upon internet speed. It will be taking some time. Once it is done, upgrade is done, then just go for sudo reboot. Okay, next command will be, if you want you can reboot, otherwise no need. This itself is enough, but still some people want to reboot and try. So what you will do after this, see here, the same command, sudo reboot. The same we use in after installing group by package, we use sudo reboot. Here also we can try reboot command once the upgrade is done. Okay, still it is going on. So what you will do, we'll stop this video and I'll put the next video to discuss about how do we install group by packages. That's the last video for Raspberry Pi package installation. Okay, still that upgradation is done. Okay, it's still not completed, so we'll go over the we'll just stop the video. Okay,